like that, no. Fucking pull over, dickhead. Yeah, probably not. I'm gonna check.
BMW. Anything?
Yeah, it's a big scratch. Quite a big scratch, but I'll take a picture on my phone. Well, we're all okay, that's the main thing.
Yeah, could be worse.
Yeah. See, told you, Dashcam.
Oh yeah, you definitely called that number plate, didn't you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Good job, guy.
Where's it stopped?